started. Hi, we're gonna make Cheesymite scrolls in the TC Pro today, and I'm gonna make him do it because you've never used anything of the sort before, have you?
Nope.
Yep, so let's get straight into it. Okay, here we have the TC Pro. As I showed you in the other video, you've got to switch it on here. Wait for it. It'll say error 3 because the lid is not on, so that will go away once we put the lid on. First we're gonna weigh the flour in. So in order to weigh directly into the TC Pro, just press weight and then the scale will come up, and then you can just put all your ingredients in. First thing though, put the blade cover in. So if you're making bread dough and stuff, you're gonna want to put the blade cover in.
Firm press, easy.
Yeah? Okay, that weighs 50 grams.
There you go.
Okay, so first up, 275 grams of flour.
Pour it in.
Yeah. Almost there?
No.
That's okay.
Close but no cigar.
Yeah.
I'll take out the tablespoon.
No, that's okay. It'll be fine. Yeah. In here, I've got 80 grams of coconut milk mixed with 100 grams of water. You can do that directly in, but I'm just weird that way. Half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. In that bowl, we've got 50 grams of sugar plus 10 grams of milk powder. What's next? Okay, we're gonna have to add the yeast and 4 grams of butter or margarine or whatever. We're using Nuttelex today.
How much of that is this, do you reckon?
I'll just use the knife. So let's get that to 0 again.
40?
Yeah. That's 20.
30. 30? Oh, good on you. Alright.
Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, and lastly, a teaspoon and a half of instant yeast. So I don't know how much
teaspoon is green.
Yeah. So there might not be enough in there, but we can open another one. Oh. Next up, we put the lid on. You just twist in. Now you'll see that the error message has disappeared because the lid is on. And we're going to use the dough setting, which goes for about 8 minutes, and it'll bring all the ingredients up to temperature to about 30 degrees. So that's it. And then once we're done, we will show you the dough. Okay, so 8 minutes is up and the machine has just turned itself off. So let's have a look at the dough. No, you just, yeah.
Thank you.
And lift it off. You have to just press the little button under here for both sides. And it easily comes off. There we have it, the dough. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to transfer the dough into an oiled bowl. Oiling your bowl allows you to not use extra flour so that your dough remains moist, and once it's baked it'll be fluffy and soft. So I'll show you that when it's done. Okay, we've covered it in cling film. And now we're going to let it rest for about an hour until it doubles in size, and we'll come back. Okay, the dough's doubled in size, so you're going to punch it down. I've placed some baking paper on the table just so I don't mess the counter up. Ooh, it's risen a fair bit.
It has.
You feel good?
Feels good. Feels good. When am I done with it?
Okay, place it on the baking paper. We're gonna roll the dough into a rectangle. I don't have a rolling pin today, so we're gonna use an old wine bottle. Use your fingers first to get it into a rectangle.
Like so.
Just a little bit more on that side. Yeah, that looks good to me. So once your dough is like this, we're gonna spread some Nuttelex on it, a fair bit. You want your butter or whatever to be softened.
Just like.
Okay, next up, Vegemite. Obviously, if you don't like Vegemite, do you like Vegemite?
Yeah.
If you don't like it, you don't have to put it in. You can use, I don't know, whatever, pizza sauce or whatever. Yeah, spread a layer of that on. I'd say a lot more than that.
Yes, plus.